Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss the top IT updates. The first one will be regarding TCS renting over 2000 crore worth of property or office. Then we will discuss about mass hiring of freshers soon in these IT companies. We will also discuss about Wipro's problems. Can it rise if? We will also discuss about IT sector bottoming out soon. And last but not the least, which are the most vulnerable to layoffs, which are the jobs which are most vulnerable to layoffs. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The first thing is that I always talk about layoffs, I always talk about redundancy, I always talk about AI and jobs of future. But a lot of people have asked me in the comment section that please create some positive videos. Don't always cover the negative news. I cover the reality and not any positive or negative sides. There are always some positive sides, there are some negative sides as well. But let us focus more on the positive side in this video. The first important thing is that what is the most in demand IT jobs. Okay, so these kind of jobs have a good connection to the business functions. For example, if you're someone in cyber security, right, which is very trending right now, which is having a lot of openings, but the skill is not there in the resources. Cloud architecture and DevOps. So I read it somewhere that if you're a developer, okay, you might be replaceable. Okay, there can be some AI agents, there can be some bots, there can be some like coding platforms which might be able to replace you to a certain extent, definitely. Writing the boilerplate code or basic code, but when it comes to debugging, it will be difficult for the AI agents, the bots, and let alone that the bots and AI agents are writing the code base and you have to debug it, then that will be a problem, right? So I have read somewhere that the best thing that you can do to be future ready, right, is that you learn development as well as infra related activities. So what this means, you have a very good understanding about architecture of the project, you have a very good understanding about what code you have written, what are the business functions that the code is performing. On top of that, you also know about the infrastructure, how to deploy it, what are the deployment strategies, and a lot of other things which will make you a development as well as a DevOps engineer. Okay, data engineering again has a lot of scope, applied AI as well. Now these are all of the articles that I want to share with you. Okay, if you want, you can go and check it out as well. I will give the link in the description box, you can go and check it out, right? So these are some of the data technicians or cloud engineering, these are some of the safe roles, okay, at the particular point of time. Okay, so that is the reason if you want to transition to any of these roles, it is a good opportunity. Next thing I want to discuss is, you might have seen this person. He is nothing but Deepak Shenoy, who is a Capital Mind CEO, who is which is an investment company basically. And what they have mentioned regarding what is their perspective regarding IT jobs, okay, or IT companies is very important. Why? Because he's an analyst, he's crunching out all the data that is there in the market, right, for investment and other purposes. So what he says is that Indian IT sector sees gradual recovery amid valuation concerns, okay, and there are some valuation concerns in banking sector. So now you might have seen that a lot of stocks like Infosys, TCS, they are beaten down, they are on the verge of bottoming out. What exactly is bottoming out? You can go and check it out in the Google. Okay. Next thing that I want to discuss is that this is a good news actually. Next thing is that please don't like please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that. And the second important thing that I wanted to ask you all guys is that, do you think that we should create a LinkedIn series? Okay, personally I have a LinkedIn profile, I connect with a lot of people and I see the profiles as well. When I go through their profiles, find that there is a spark that is missing in the profile. There are no good profile pictures, the title is not optimized, the bio is not written well, about section is not written well, they have not added their projects, they have not added what they're doing right now, what are the tech stack that they are working on, which basically does not help you. Okay, if you are someone who is having a LinkedIn profile, it is not optimized, then I'm thinking of creating a fantastic YouTube series, okay, which will be free of cost obviously, wherein I will explain you about the perks of having a good LinkedIn profile, the perks of having a good profile which can cause a lot of attention from the HRs, or if you're reaching out to someone for referral, right, so it will get you a referral as well, right? So these things, having a good LinkedIn profile, I'm going to create a series. Do let me know in the comment section. I know that this is going to be a fairly long video, but this is very important. Okay, do let me know in the comment section if you want a LinkedIn series about me talking how you can get an optimized profile and a better profile. Okay, so the important update is regarding TCS, which everyone is waiting for, that TCS has rented over 2100 crore of office space in Bangalore, okay, joining all the big IT companies lease rush. So what exactly is that? So this will be two different towers, okay, in 360 Business Park. You might know that it is a big group by CKPC Properties, right? So this is something kind of the building, okay. Now they want to have an inclusive culture. They want people coming back to the offices, and this is a very big office, right? So TCS recently launched in the last year. They launched around two different towers in Pune area, okay, which is the Hinjawadi IT Park, right? They had around 20,000 people working there as well. So big space, big number of people coming in, okay, in the offices. Now they are planning and they are setting up a 2,100 crore office, okay, which is basically a security deposit and all the rent and all those things, okay. 12% escalation, but that is not important for us. What important is that they are getting more and more office spaces, more and more people will be joining these companies and they will be working from there. So this is kind of good news for all the freshers out there, or all the people who want to switch, okay. If you are someone who is looking for a job in TCS, or if you are someone who is looking for a fresher job at TCS, then this can be a good opportunity for all of you guys, okay. Make sure that you follow us on YouTube. We also have a Instagram handle. You can go and follow us on over there as well, right? Next important thing is coming from Wipro, which is Wipro has set and acquired E and engineering and R&D firm, which is Harman Connected Services. Now a lot of people might know because they provide a lot of connected services to a lot of companies. It can be automobile companies, it can be retail companies, and a lot of other kind of things, right? So $375 million is a pretty big amount for Wipro, right? So now you might already know that this is a Harman, right? Now the next thing is that Capco. What exactly is Capco? It is a Wipro company now. It was a management consulting company. Okay. Now a lot of analysts are telling Wipro that please don't suffocate Harman like you do. Okay, with the slow structures like you did for Capco or even health plan services. Well, health plan services, which is again a Wipro company, is an altogether different story. It happened back in 2016 or 2013, I guess, wherein due to like they acquired this company, but then again there was a policy change in US and this was not successful, right? Capco again is pressurizing and lowering the margins for Wipro, and that is again causing a lot of trouble, which is a management consulting company where the margins are pretty low compared to that of Wipro, which is a technology company or operations company where they are providing solutions to their like customers and businesses, right? Next important thing is coming from, now you might recognize this person in the picture. She is basically Roshni Nadar Malhotra, which is basically the, I think, the MD or CEO of HCL Technologies, right? What she mentioned recently to all the shareholders is interesting, right? So AI will transform, not replace jobs. So this is her stake. Now a lot of people like these who are at the top management folks, right, the top guns of these companies, they have a very good understanding about what is going to happen in the future, right? So that is the reason it is their responsibility to make the company future ready. And for that, what exactly are the steps that they're taking is very important. TCS has taken the steps. They are getting big offices. They might be a plan to hire more people, okay, on a lower package, obviously, typical TCS things, right? And they are firing the employees also, right? They are doing redundant employees and then putting them in PIP and then firing them off like directly, right? Without any severance pay or with severance pay for that matter. So that is going to be taken care by the labor ministry and the government, right? There are a lot of debates that are happening on this particular point. Let's not deep dive into that. But what I want to highlight here is that she is mentioning that she's a top gun at HCL. She's mentioning that emphasizing reskilling, the company is going to plan to hire more AI roles and build a high paid elite workforce. So this is their plan. TCS right now is employing around 6 lakh employees, right? But the average salary compared to other companies is less. Although they're having a lot of people, but the average salary is less, right? But here, what she is mentioning is that for the future proof ready, they are going to hire more AI talent and they are going to pay them high. Okay, they are going to hire elite workforce which are highly skilled. It can be cyber security, it can be data engineering, it can be AI, it can be anything for that matter, which is going to be helpful in the future. Okay, with this I would like to end our today's video. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about the LinkedIn series. I will give all the links in the description box. If you want to connect with me one on one, I can give the link of topmate.com in the description box below, or if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, I have given the link in the description box as well. This was a fantastic video as per me because I did it without any breaks, without any stops, right? So yeah, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video. Also, please share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. Share it with it in different groups. Share it with all of your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this entire video, guys. I hope that you all have a great day.